So clearly, if we can see here, we see that we have our virtual machine here. So the virtual machine here is going to be empty. It doesn't have any operating system. So it's just like saying we've created a box. It's like you've bought your RAM, you've bought your hard disk, and you fix it together. You've created your own computers. So if you go back to the first lesson we spoke about the various components of a computer. And technically, that's what you've done. You've built your own small computer within your computer, but it doesn't have any operating system. So you have to make sure that you have an operating system. So what you do is, since you want to use Linux, so you would want to go and download the Linux operating system. So we'll say Linux Ubuntu download. We want to download the operating system. So if you go on their website, you click here, it will download it. And basically, because I already have it, if you click on download, it should download it. So I already have it, so I'm not going to download it another time. All I'll do is that I'll find it and then I'll use it on my computer.